So this one, as you can see, it's going a lot higher because there's a lot less holes to move the water through. On this video, we're going to take a look at this solar paneled mini water fountain that essentially generates various types of sprays and turns it into a fountain.
It actually has a 1500 milliamp battery, and it also delivers 200 liters an hour.
This does go up about
15 inches. It just requires just a little more sun.
The LED lights are also built in, and then they're basically changing colors on their own. There's no mode to changing colors or any of that. It basically just kind of circles through its own. Now, so obviously the brighter the sun, the higher it's going to shoot. And if I remove this from the base, you can see that it stopped. There is this little sensor right here, this little metal thing that detects if there's water or not, and it automatically shuts off. So that's pretty cool. There's a battery in this compartment here. It's 1500 milliamps. So basically you charge this and it will hold enough charge for a couple hours at night. So you can set it to night mode, or you can set it to auto mode. So auto is on this side, and then this is night mode. So if you set it to here, so you can kind of hear it right now. If we set it to night, then it's gonna do is gonna charge the battery through these solar cells. These are the solar cells right here. So solar panel. It's gonna charge it, and then it's gonna turn on at night. So let's see. See? Pretty cool. So here are the different types of nozzles, and I'll show you how to change the nozzle. You basically just turn, and then you put the new one on. So there's ones with different types of holes. Then you have the single ones, and then you've got like a 3. So let's put this one on. For this one, I'm gonna have to change this up a little bit. So this always comes on here, and then these fit over top. So let's try that one. So this one, as you can see, it's going a lot higher because there's a lot less holes to move the water through. Okay, let's just kind of change these around on the fly. So this is without any of them. This is a single, so this should go pretty high. Yeah, see? So this one is actually going up like pretty high, I would say. Okay, so we're gonna remove this one. Okay, we've got a couple of different ones. So let's put on, there's a thin one here somewhere that I wanted to try. Let's try this pattern. So, oh, that was really nice. So there's that one. And then we've got, ooh, this one goes high. This one goes really high, and it's kind of nice. Okay. Okay, let's try the next one. And the last one, actually. This is the one that we had, actually, I think. This is just a lot of holes, a lot of thin holes, and it splashes half the distance that the other ones do. And let's again just turn on the light, and it turns off. Let's set this to here, and you can see because I set this to auto mode, it turns on here. So definitely easy, definitely affordable, and again, you can turn anything into a fountain. You can actually probably even use this for cats. Actually, I don't know how much they like it because they get splashed over. We actually have a water fountain for cats that works the same way. I'm just gonna stop this by lifting this up. Okay, now what you want to know is that this is your pump in here, and this does come apart. They gave you the instructions, and you may want to clean this every 3 weeks, especially if you're using this outside, like where birds are going to be coming in and things of that nature, because you may get debris and stuff stuck in the pump. So again, if you're not getting a lot of spray, you know exactly why, because that is plugged up. So that's the review. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next one.